everybody, today for science we are going to do dancing corn. Alright, so what you're going to need is you're going to need a glass container filled with about 2 cups of water. You're going to need some baking soda, that's the back side, some baking soda, some vinegar, some popping corn kernels. You're also going to need some measuring utensils, okay? So, you are going to, what you're going to do, you're going to take 1/8 to 1/4 cup of the corn kernels, okay? And you're going to dump them into your container of water. Alright? And those are going to sink to the bottom. They should. They're down here at the bottom. Okay? Now, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and you're going to put them into your water, alright, with the corn kernels. Okay? So, 2 tablespoons. Yes. Alright. So there is 1 and 2. Alright, so now you need to stir that well so it all gets mixed together. Okay? And that way your baking soda will dissolve in your water. Now you can use your measuring spoon that you use to get the baking soda. You can use that to stir your corn kernels in your water. Okay? Alright. So now that that's stirred together, we are going to add in, or we're going to pour out a cup of vinegar. Now, it said that we won't need the whole cup necessarily, and to use it just a little bit at a time. That way you can keep your kernels dancing for as long as you want. Alright? So, I'm going to pour out some vinegar. Alright, it looks like our water is cleared up. And I'm going to make the kernels dance for you, okay? So, what we're going to do to make them dance is we're going to put in some vinegar into our baking soda water. Now, we've done a lot of experiments with vinegar and baking soda, and so we know that they bubble. But what is that going to do inside the water, I wonder? Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's pour some vinegar in and see what happens. Look, they all float up to the top. And then they sink back down again. Let's do it again. Just a little bit at a time. Let's see what happens. It did it again. So, it makes it dance. It makes them go up to the top and then sink again. Okay. Oh, you can see them going back up without me pouring in any vinegar. That's because it creates those air bubbles. Okay, those bubbles that want to bring those kernels to the top. Alright, let's do a little bit more. It's kind of fun. That is actually really fun to watch. I'm really enjoying this. And I think you guys can hear it sizzle too. Okay, so it just keeps going up, and they keep falling, and they go up, and then they fall again. Alright, so I used less than 1/4 cup of vinegar for this right now. So if you don't use it all, you can always put the vinegar back in the jar and save it for later. Okay? But I hope you guys enjoy listening to the fizziness. I hope you guys enjoy watching the kernels go up and down, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.